it's the winter, it's cold outside. A lot of people are getting flaky, dry lips. I am as well. But I'm going to show you how I get rid of it. So let's get into this video. Welcome to Skin First Daily. So I wanted to do a quick video to show you how to get rid of cracked lips. If you run your fingers through your lips and you feel like scratches or dead skin, or if you go like this and your skin starts to rip, or if your lips are just really dry and feel busted, then this routine is for you. Thank me later. So before we start, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. So the first thing I do is I get a towel and I soak it in hot water and kind of use it as a compressor on my lips to kind of steam my lips. Don't forget to get the corners of your lips, because sometimes that's where all the dead skin kind of hides or sits. So once you're done, the first thing we're going to use is this, the Bubi lips from Unpa. And this product is actually very interesting. So Bubi lips is a natural lip scrub made with natural AHAs, papaya extract and grapefruit extracts that is used to scrub away dead skin cells and leave skin so soft. Once you apply, the gel bubbles up into an exfoliator and dissolves away all the dry skin on your lips. So the brand Unpa made these Bubi lips, which is an innovative lip scrub to basically get away flaky skin that's on the lips. So the way you apply it is you take a little, so it comes in as a gel form, and you can basically just apply it on the lips. I can almost not feel any of the flakes again. So once you're done, you wipe it up. Wow. Wow. Oh my god, all the flakes have dissolved. Oh wow, look. Can you remember? Look, there's nothing there anymore. Oh. Okay, there's a little bit right there. So I'm gonna... Oh wow, look, it's gone. That's so dope. Oh my god. Oh, it's gone. Oh my god. So it literally, wow. So this scrub literally dissolves all the stuff. Mind you, it's not exfoliating. There's no beads. It's not like granulated like sugar. It's just a cream. And I have to show you the texture. So this is the texture. See, it's just a cream. So wow, the Bubi lips literally dissolved all the dead skin. It doesn't have an exfoliator. It doesn't have granulated like sugar little exfoliators. It is simple. It's like mousse, and it basically dissolved everything. Listen, this is an innovative lip scrub for real. All right, on to step 2, the lip mask. So this is a lip mask from isn't this so cute? Look at the case. It's so cute. So this is a lip mask from Choosy Lips, and it has 20 applicators inside of it. So basically just grab one and we can apply it on the lips. Oh my god, my lips look so good right now, if I do say so myself. So now that we have exfoliated our lips and we have used the lip mask, so we're going to use the lip slipping mask by Lineage overnight. So just grab a little. Make sure you catch the rims of your lips and also the inner corners of your lips, because you want to make sure that none of that dead skin comes back. And voila, we are done for the night. So when you wake up and you're about to go to work, make sure you apply a lip protectant, which I like to use the Aquaphor. It is so good. Like, I prefer it to Vaseline. It doesn't leave residue under the rims of your lips, which is amazing, as long as you don't put too much. But this really helps to repair and protect your lips. So this helps to protect your lips because it has SPF 30, and it also helps to repair your lips, so you would have no more dry skin and no more flaky skin, and lips will be looking this luscious. So I'm off to bed now, and thank you for watching. And don't forget to like this video if you think this was very helpful. I'm going to put the link to all the products below as per usual. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment box below. And if you liked the video and you want me to do more videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I am off to bed. I am exhausted. So as always, I'm spreading peace and love. Mwah.